Hello friends, welcome to the Captain's Lobby. I hope that you are fine and healthy. So in this series I'm going to tell you about Adobe Premier Pro by Creative Cloud 2021 version. So I will guide you throughout the session, and I hope that you will like the essentials and all those options that I have told you in the video. So first of all, you must make sure that you should have system requirements should be fulfilled for this software to be successful. So I have opened this version of Premiere Pro, and as you can see that this is a window, and now I just want to tell you that how the primary window looks to you for a beginner. I will tell you from scratch, from very beginning. So the two options appearing over here: a new project and open project. So first of all, we have to go to open the project, and if you are having any saved file, look as I can see that untitled, this project is already present in my desktop, so I don't need to open over here. I will just create the new file, and now as you can see that there are different options. You can just give you can just have some, and you can rename the title of your video. So I'm just writing so this is the name, this is label that your video would be recognized with, and this is the location of where to save your clip, and the location should be quite accessible. So I recommend you to save to your desktop, or you can save to another folder. So this is the script. Actually, this is a virtual space facility by Premiere Pro, and these are different options that are available over here. So now after clicking on this button, OK, so rightfully we are over on our timeline. So you can see that there are different windows in front of us. So first of all, it's very much important that you should be aware of those windows, the labelings of those windows. So first of all, you can see that there is source window. This window is known as a source window, and this is a media window where you can import your media, and this is your program, because when you will run your video will be appearing on this window, and that is your timeline. So the layers will be shown over here. You can add effects and transitions at that layer. So first of all, starting from the very beginning, you have to double click on that box, and after double clicking on that box, you come to know that there is an option. I have downloaded this video, and suppose this is a sample video for your tutorial. So you can just double click on that video, and that video will be imported over here. So you can see that we are having one media over here, and this media will be just you can drag this media and drop on your source window. As you can see, when I drag and drop over that source window, pixels started to appear over here, and there's a scenery over here. So we have to just find out how we can just play and adjust this video. So when we play this video, you came to know that a video starts to proceed. So this is our label cursor that will show the duration and the progress of the video, how long the video is. This is starting point, and this is the ending point. This video is about 19 seconds. So this first time when you just import your video, the video will be played and it will be accessed by the Adobe Premiere. So you can see that there are different options appearing over here. So this is marking, the shortcut key is I, and this is mark out, the shortcut key is O. So first of all, if you want to pause the video, you can just click on that center option, and you can just go for this option that is marking. And when we just when we just click on this option, you see that that the label, that is the line where the label stops, the entire area will be selected. So this is the marking area, and the area that is highlighted over here will be our trajectory, will be our concern area. So when we play, and for example, if you want to just pull this part of the video, and we don't need the other part of the video, so the main focus lies over here. So for example, I pause the video over here, and I press O button, and when I press the O button, you can see that a video is just retrenched or contracted. And just if we drag, we click on that screen, and when we drag the screen to that timeline, this is a timeline, and when we just put over here, you can see that our video is over here. The section was 2 second. We drag this 2 second portion of that video, and this is a final display. This is a screen that will show how our video actually looked like. So this is a comprehensive sort of software, so you should be with me through the entire session so that you can just find your way running successfully. So as you can see that we are having this multiple options over here, and this media window, or this is actually project assets, are assets that are going to be used in this tutorial. So for example, if we want to drag any other sort of video, so we will double click over here, and or another video that is added to our box window. And now when we just double click over here, so we can rename the video. We can just easily just add title. For example, we are just giving the name of video 1. So when we just add the name of video 1, you can see that our section is completely renamed, and now we can easily distinguish between that section and that section. So that becomes quite handy when you work on this. So when we right click over this box, you can see that when I right click on this box, actually we can just go, we will just trigger this down, and we can just go to the label. So when we go to the label, we can easily change the color of that. For example, it's a yellow color. So when we select, this is for just to distinguish, just to identify, because when we are working on the larger videos and great number of videos, it becomes very much difficult, very much comprehensive to just isolate things. So this part is very much quite convincing, so that we can easily work with our templates over here. So now we can just, if we want to create, we can also just open the width of this by just clicking on the center of this. You can see the border, and we can easily increase the width of this. You can see that this is a frame rate. It says that how many pixels are running per second, or you can say per second. It says that how many pixels are completely running in this second rate. So the frame rate, the lower the frame rate, the more visible the video is. So and now we can just you can see that there's different sections over here. New bin, new items. So new bin will allow us to create a folder, so we can easily drag and drop our entire, this is a folder, so we can rename the folder. So when we press enter, and when we select all those videos, so now when we just press control and select all the templates that we just imported over here, we can just drag this entire templates and drop into this folder, and you can see that these videos are completely piled up in the section of folders. So that's quite easy when you're working with a large and complicated video editing. So this is a number one professional video editing software. So now we can easily just play with this. As you can see that when I report, there are some sort of there are selections over here. So this makes us quite exciting when we play with these options available over here. So we can see that when we click on that snapping timeline, so when you can see that there's a magnetic symbol present over here. So what is the use of that magnetic symbol? This is symbol is used when you're working with a lot of videos. As you can see that if we are for example, this is a video, and now we are just placing this video over here, and this is audio. So if you want to remove the audio, how will you remove the audio? First of all, just allow me to play this video. I'm just playing the video, and whenever our video plays over here, so audio started to run. There's a noise out there, and this noise is quite disturbing. So as you can see that our display is not good, so we can just go over here and we will just press 200. So this is a zoom in zoom out effect. So when we press 100, it will fit in our box. So that display shows an entire final proceedings of our editing. So we want to remove the audio. First of all, right click on that video option or that timeline, just go to unlink, and when we unlink, we can easily separate the video or separate the audio according to to our needs. So when we play the video, the audio now we don't need the audio of this thing, so we will just right click on that section and we will just press. So we want to remove the audio, so first of all right click over here and it's a cut option available. However, when we cut over here, our audio is removed and there is no noise in the background, so our video will run, and this part will tell us that how you can just isolate the audio or video. So there are other options available as well. So when we just you can also remove the audio or video by just placing that window to the source, and this is a source window. So if you want to drag only audio, you can also drag any sort of audio from here without unlinking and without going into that direction. So we can just easily just if you want to drag audio, you can see that drag audio only option available over here. So we need to drag only video, so we will just drag and we will just paste it on our timeline. So these small tabs create a huge difference in your video editing performance, so you should not ignore these tabs. Some people forgot to mention these tabs in your video, and it will create a huge difference in your output. So I told you the basic options over here. So as you can see that this insert option, we can easily insert anything between our timeline. So this is an overwrite, it actually places your video to another video, so it's just some sort of compiling effect. So now we just we knew that how we can add videos and how we can remove the audio separation, all those things. So we came to know about the use of this magnet, how this magnet actually works when our video sticks together and there's no gap between this. So if you want to, this is our selection tool and this is our track select forward tool. So we will just tell you about these two tools in the next video, in the next class. So I hope that you like today's class and introduction about the Premiere Pro, and subscribe to this channel and give your feedback in the form of comments and share this video. See you in the next class. Take care.